Hey Nisa, there's this thing called Attom Solutions, which is what I'm going to build a bot on, and this is the thing that pulls data out of the system. So you kind of customize how you want. Now I want to try to figure out how to pull data exactly what we need that has an overage without having to look at every single property and stuff. So I have to kind of figure out that, but everything we need is kind of here to research a property. And I want you to know that each property that we pull, there's a cost, and it can go from 50 cents per hit, in the sense of every time we hit it, there's a fee. So I think we're here. I think it's going to show me how much it's going to cost. Sometimes just looking up an address is 10 cents. Looking up mortgages is 50 cents. Sales history is 50 cents and whatnot. It kind of just all adds up right here. Now we can use the bot, which I am doing on my side. Let's see how many hits here. And I don't know if it's free using it within the Attom Solutions, okay? Because it's not really a successful API call from within. Anyways, go over to the I believe it's the documentation of the API code, and we kind of like get sample APIs so that I can kind of see what data I want, kind of research. And I don't think they charge me here, but you never know. So if you need to look up something and kind of like dig deeper, let's say we're gonna go to property API, you just click on that, it'll kind of take you there. So anything here is property snapshot mortgage data. We can look at the detail of the current mortgage owner, and then we can look at the detail of the history. What was it? The sale snapshot and the sale detail, and the sales history, so you can see what it is. So once you kind of click on, for example, let's go with the expanded history, maybe detailed around the pre-foreclosure loan history on a property. Click on that. I don't know which API key this is. First user key from the last file. Overage property search engine. So this is the API key it's going to use. We can do the I like JSON because it organized it better. And you enter the address you need. As soon as you enter that address, you hit try out, and it will kind of populate the data. So I have one here for James Quarter. I just looked it up right now, but let's look up another one. Anthony Mom, who's this guy? Forney. So this is the latest one. So I'm gonna type in the address 507 Olive Trail. Texas, okay. Trail 40, Texas. And then the zip code 75126, and then you try it out, and it pulls out that data here, and look at it. It says, okay, so here's the address, here's the street, here's the summary. Foreclosure 1, trustee name is Anthony Mom, and the trustee is in the law firm, who we would contact to see if there is a trustee. And the sale history, so REO transfer. Okay, now we need the loan amount and what was sold at, right? So sequence, sale amount 21628, the new construction. I think this is when they bought it. And so what I'd like to do is it's hard to see the data and kind of organize it. It's kind of weird. So there's this thing called, it's free, it's a free program, the JSON parser. I think I might have linked it in one of the U-bots. So let me kind of pop into this U-bot thingy, and I'm gonna paste it onto a text document real quick. Okay, and then I'm gonna go over here. Here's the data, and I copy and paste it, and it kind of pops up here. Okay, so the property object, and then I'm going to go to foreclosure information, And then I can see this organized here. This is what their delinquent original loan amount 000. So this might not. This is weird. Okay. Okay, no loan. So there's no loan. Well, why would they be defaulted? Anyways, the sales history. Look at the amount. Okay, trustee, their mortgage, first loan, no loan. So I don't know if there's actually anything here based on this data. Okay, so there's a no loan either. FHA loan. And this is the new owner here. Planet HTM. Absentee owner. Some investor bought it. Okay, so anyways. Bank of America. Oh, maybe this is where the loan doc mortgage, download finance amount. It's weird. Okay, so this is a little interesting. I don't know what the detail is here, but anyways, we can then do our research and look at mortgage data and pull them up that way and kind of match it up with the docs to kind of really figure out what is what. Now, I had another one that I looked at that's probably a little more useful, and that was this one here. Is it this one? Oh no, this isn't it. Okay. Alright, so anyways, try it out. See if you can pull what you need here, and then match it up and see if it makes sense to you. This is how we can get historical data. This is how we can get property data. We need to know certain things about it, the APN numbers and stuff like that. Foreclosure, pre-foreclosure details. I don't know if that's something. Enter the item there. So yeah. Alright, so I'm going to have to play with this too. I'm going to give this to you just in case you can try looking for something and you can't find it. And you need to find some data, just another resource to look through and say, hey, you know, let's look it up and find if there's any history on here. Let's see. I think the other one was a lot more useful, the one on James Quarter. That kind of showed some stuff on there. I think he has more of a $6,000 overage rather than a $250 from what I saw, but I think that's what it is. Okay, so let me see here. I think that's pretty much it. So go ahead and just kind of log in and see what you need to do. I don't know how much they're going to charge me, but just kind of be you know, careful. I don't know if there's a thing to kind of see how much I've used up and how much they're going to charge me. Total hits. I don't know, looks like they haven't charged me anything yet for today. Assessment history. So yeah, try it out. Okay, thanks.